Alright people, here we are today in an A25 haul truck. And would you look at that? All kinds of jacked up. Now this is an A25, but it will also work on an A25D, which is what that guy is. Or any of the other A25s, and probably the A30 models as well. So let's get after it. Here's the back of it. First thing I like to do is go ahead and disconnect that plug. And then we're going to start popping everything out. When it's connected, this little maroon piece here is pushed all the way down to lock it into place. You just push it up and it slides right off. Ooh, here's the new one. Oh. Oh. Yay. Stupid bubble wrap. So, we've got our new pretty one. Yay. What the hell? Stupid European. Now, to get this guy out, you've got a little tab right there. You just take your screwdriver, put it up under there, pry up, and pull it out. Once you have it pried out, it pops right out. You take your new, pretty, shiny, stupid European model, and clip it right back in the hole. Yay! And once you've clipped in your connector that's back up under here, ta-da! So, now, you come over here, roar! Turn that air joker all the way down, and that joker all the way up. Ta-da! Yay, air conditioner!